Hello, my lovely friends. This is Sangeeta Gupta, your Reiki Grandmaster. And for my new subscriber and friends, I would like to share with you that I have been teaching Reiki for past 25 years. And I am also a tarot card reader and I help you with making right decisions in life and guiding you through your problems through Reiki, meditation, self hypnosis, chakra healing, and various techniques. And it's a pleasure to share with you new things, new techniques, new ideas with you. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and please share the video with with your folks and people if you like it. And I would like to share something wonderful about your life today. So, there are a lot of people calling me about one thing, and that is with Reiki, can I get my PR in Canada? So, a lot of people from Punjab, from Kerala, a lot of Indians, and maybe other countries also are nowadays really interested in going to Canada. Canada is an upcoming country with lot of opportunities and people like that country and they think they will do very well, and I'm sure they will. And can Reiki help me in getting PR in Canada? So I would like to answer you very honestly, yes, because I have been working with lot of clients in past 7-8 years, and people who were not able to clear their exams, and people were having lots of obstacles. I would like to share an example of one of my clients, and she was like wanting to go abroad to Canada and settle down there with her husband, and she was not getting things cleared up, and she had done Reiki with me, and then she was having a lot of other obstacles as well, that she wanted to wind off her uh, uh, property. She wanted to sell off her property and take that money there. So her property was not also not getting sold, and husband wife, they both wanted to emigrate to this country. And I told her wonderful techniques in Reiki and how she can apply law of attraction and Reiki and give healing to her goal of being in Canada. And I'm very, very proud to say that today she's in Canada, doing very well with her husband. Both of them are doing wonderful jobs there. They managed to get wonderful jobs, and in a span of 2 years she was able to buy a property of her own in Canada, and she has a lovely daughter now, and they are planning for the second child. It's good to have two children in your family. So her family has done very well, and it is wonderful to be able to fulfill your dreams. And Reiki has been helping people in achieving their goals and desires, and not only like getting your PR, settling down, getting good jobs, and making your life better. So, Reiki healings, Reiki energies, Reiki workshops help you in moving on further in your life, because obviously you want to go there to prosper. And it is not that you just by going there things will be like hunky dory at one go. You need a good job, you need a home, you need everything, you need a car, and all the facilities also should be there once you go there. So instead of struggling for very long periods, Reiki healing can help you achieve all that. Good employment, good employers, good people around, living in a good locality, having a wonderful home, and of course children and everything. So Reiki energies can help you achieve everything. So people who have their PR stuck up can call me on my number 9811142249 and book your Reiki sessions. And let me tell you one thing more, that during lockdown, the healings that you will do will work faster, because the energy of human beings is very, very powerful these days. Other machinery and other things have stopped. So whatever you are going to work with on your life's purposes, you will be able to achieve them very quickly. So quickly jump in for Reiki workshops wherever you are. I'm available online, and if you have other people in your life, call them and quickly